Sawadika! Hi everyone! Today let's make Som Tam or Thai iconic papaya salad. Som Tam is very iconic and I'll show you it is in every Thai restaurant. The word Som Tam is actually very general because Som Tam has a lot of variation like these ones. So many kinds. But what we're making today is called Tam Thai. This recipe is super easy and it's meant for one person. The full details about the quantity will be listed in the description box below. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Alright, let's take a look at our ingredients. I have here my unripe papaya, carrot for that nice touch of color, tomato, you can also use cherry tomatoes, garlic, red chili, long bean, toasted peanuts, any kind of sugar syrup, fish sauce and lime juice. This is called a julienne peeler and it is one of the way to peel our papaya. The carrot is actually optional, but we add a small amount of it for the nice pop of color. We are using today our Pestle&Mortar, but if you don't have it, you can just make the dressing and drench it all over your papaya. First and foremost, we are adding in these three. Give them a good pound until they are broken. Next is your sugar syrup, fish sauce, and your lime juice. It's better to use fresh limes rather than those bottled lime juice because it's more fresh and the tang is just very different. And then our papaya. You can either cut your tomatoes like this or just a normal way. If you're using your cherry tomato, just drop them in. And then half of your peanuts because we are saving the other half for later. You give this a taste test and adjust to your liking accordingly. Then we add in our peanuts as the final touch. Ta-da! That looks so good. This is actually quite healthy if you think about it. The papaya and the side vegetable. Let's give this a try. ใหญ่เกินไปไหม Here I go. If you're craving for Som Tam, why not make it yourself? Try this recipe out.